Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the PDF tools platform, which is Nitro PDF. So let's dive into it. The Nitro PDF is a robust PDF solution for creating, editing, converting and securing PDF document. Its key features include easy editing, electronic signature, collaboration tools and integration with cloud storage. So talking about the pros, it includes a user-friendly interface, strong feature set for business workflow and reliable document security. On the downside, some advanced editing features can be tricky for new user, and the desktop app can be resource heavy on older machine. The pricing may also be high for occasional users, and user support response time can vary. So in my opinion, I think Nitro PDF is a solid choice for business and professionals who want regular work with PDFs, though casual user might find its simpler tools sufficient. And that's it. I'll find the video up for a video, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.